What's going on, family? Greetings, guys. It is my host, Truly GABA speaking. So, guys, not this, okay? So, I've highlighted this zone. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? 110 is around this zone. 110. So, this is the zone where we're supposed to actually enter our trades, okay? So, however, right now I'm seeing something different, okay? In the market, I'm seeing a different opportunity where this zone here, the point of actually a supply where the market had once swing that. So currently I'm looking at this thing, and then I'm actually hoping that Nasdaq will push to Nasdaq will push to the downside, because we've got this zone here right at this point. And then, as you can see, if I can actually put my trend line, but then I'll leave it just for now, or that I can just drag this one. Does not want to be dragged. Yes, drag that one, bring it down here just like that. So come on, you. Good. So this zone right here, so this may also be the zone where Nas may push furthermore to the downside, okay? So either this zone, or we wait for the market to actually get to that point there, and then we sell Nasdaq, okay? So but then if we get a confirmation, I mean, like that Nasdaq is actually trying to push furthermore to the downside, I mean, may enter around this zone where Nasdaq is trading at currently, or rather at the top, right at this zone there. Oh flip, okay, fine. I had actually adjusted my sell limit, but then it's okay. It's okay. So Nasdaq should actually push to the downside right at that zone. So currently Nasdaq is trading at 9984, right? 9984. So if it pushes furthermore to the downside, then that works for us. If it actually goes up first before pushing to the downside, that means 200, okay? If we get to 100, 110, 120, 130, around those zones, those are our zones of entry, okay? So definitely certain that Nasdaq will come back to the downside. It is respecting a current trend, and right now that is actually a downfall. Let me minimize that so you can see. Quickly put this trend line like that. So this downfall right now, so Nasdaq is actually trying to respect this zone, okay? So Nasdaq is trying to respect this zone, might be pushing down to the downside. So there's a trend of the market currently right now, okay? If I can actually try to bring this back like that and like that, so you can simply see that Nasdaq is actually pushing furthermore to the downside, okay? So once we get to that zone, we'll definitely push down to the downside. So the reason why I see this zone 110 is the zone where we might be looking to sell Nasdaq, is because now it will actually respect the trend line. If it does respect the trend, but normally Nasdaq does not respect the trend, okay? So if it does respect this trend, I mean, Nasdaq will be pushing furthermore to the downside. That is how I view. I'm viewing the market right now. I'm viewing the possible drop for Nasdaq, and then later on definitely a possible buy. But then, however, we will be waiting patiently, and then once that is done, we'll look at other opportunities, maybe let's say tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow is the good time to trade Nasdaq, okay? So that is just a pure analysis right now. I had to analyze under this time frame, not using the 5 minutes time frame as usual, okay? So stay blessed, guys. Yours are truly GABA signing out.